Yo, good morning, Jokies. What's poppin'? So today I'm gonna build a minigun in Minecraft. Let's start on in our creative world. Enderman hates bath time. Of course he hates bath time. They don't like water. So I built this armor stand, which I didn't record. Here, it's normal. Yeah, diamond armor. Let's build the minigun. So of course we need redstone torch, redstone. I don't have the other. Should be here. I think it has to be in one of these. It has to be in here. Yeah. And dispenser. We need a dispenser. And arrow. Let's just get poison arrows. And we need poison arrows. I'm gonna just build it with diamond. I think diamond flux. If I remember how to build it, I think it was this. Put a torch. Put that there. And put a torch. Put that there. And then it was one. Just do this like that. Yeah, it was like that. And there was like, I think redstone all around it. There's redstone all around it. Let's put what happens if you put okay. Redstone activate all. No. Like that. Let's just put a bunch of arrows. And then we need a lever. Get from here. Simple, right, Ellie? And it comes up. Lever. So that. Just do it. Come on. I used to do it all the time like this. I'll just do it the old-fashioned way. Hey! Whoa! That's it. Let's break the redstone quick. That's so much arrows. Oh yes! That's so much arrows, yo! So much arrows. Yay! Ooh, we got 16 arrows. We got 16. Is there any more? Yes. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. We got 12 more. Let's go on game mode survival for a sec. We're on game mode survival. Damn. No. Come on. poison me. Ow. Didn't hurt that much. Oh. Will it spawn these? Oh shit, it spawns the damn gosh. Oh, looking at the totem. Throw snowballs. Wow, with those snowballs. So let's put them. Melt cracker. That was my mom. I was talking to her. We're a Syrian family. And I'll pull it. And okay. Doesn't do anything. I think that's gonna be our video today. So let's go.